everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shaughnessy, and if you like my vibe, subscribe. So today I have another House of Sillage mystery vault unboxing. I felt like I was finished for a while with the vaults, but someone left a comment for me on one of my videos, and I wish I had screenshot it so I could give them a shout out, but I can't remember where I saw the comment. And she was saying that she thought this vault had Love is in the Air, and that's like one of the top fragrances on my list to purchase from House of Sillage in a full bottle. So I said, okay, I'm gonna take a chance on this vault because I haven't seen anyone talk about it or do a video on it. I did see one yesterday. Y'all, I planned to film this yesterday, but that's a whole other story. Ugh, UPS. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the French Riviera Fragrance Mystery Vault. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what's in here because even though I saw a video pop up, I was tempted to watch, but I said, no, I want my reactions to be completely authentic. So I'm ready to tear into this bad boy. So let's go. And I have to say, this was a funny thought that I had when I opened the box that it came packaged in. They had this box all double wrapped in bubble wrap and packaged differently. And I thought, I wonder if they watched some of Pam's videos because she was giving it to them about that packaging, boy, how it should be secure, which it should be. Okay, what? Oh, this is taped. That's different too. This wasn't taped on my other ones, okay? So let's cut that. All right, y'all, let's see what's in here. I'm excited. Okay, it came packaged like that. Ooh. I'm knocking over stuff. Okay, there's a hat in here. I don't know if I would ever wear this in my life. This says, I don't know why this goes Sillage House of, but Beach Club. I might be giving that to my nephew or something. Oh, there is a candle in here. Oh my goodness. And it's called Bougie Candle. People were just saying it was bougie. I didn't know the doggone candle was called a bougie candle. Okay, House of Sillage, cracking me up. Oh, what's the scent? Did I say? By the Lagoon. So let's see. Because I have to be honest, it was not on my list right now to try to purchase a candle from them. It's nice. It's a very summery candle. Coconutty. That's what I get from it. So I can't wait to burn it and see, you know, how it is. I'm going to save the big fragrance for last. Oh, I got the trend number 8. So let's see. Ooh, okay. I'm liking this vault so far. You know, the hat is You all know if you saw my other video that the True Princess Vault unboxing, I was not happy with the case. This case, I don't hate it, but I don't love it. It's cute. It's cute. This is one I can get on board with and carry. So let's see how it smells. And this again is the trend number 8. I'm trying to see if it has anything about how it smells on here. And it doesn't, so let's see. This is reminding me of something. I said that about the other one. This is a heavier scent to me though. Like a warm fruity fragrance. I don't know, I have to look it up, but you know what? I'm glad I have this case because now I can put the other fragrance in this case also. So I finally have a cute little travel case from the House of Sillage. Check it out. That is cute. So I'm happy with that. I don't know about the fragrance yet. Yeah, I don't know about that. I'll check on it before I end. Oh, please be a body oil. Yes! I got a body oil. I love body oil. And I wasn't one of the blessed ones that received, you know, the PR, even though I've been giving House of Sillage a lot of love and money. But no hate. Just love it. Okay, let me open it because I'm so excited. I'm too impatient. I'm always looking for a good body oil. So let's see how it smells. Okay, it doesn't smell like anything spectacular to me right now. It kind of smells like, you know, that Neutrogena body oil, sesame seed body oil, mixed with something else like citrus. It's a light citrus sesame seed oil to me. Illuminates, age defying, black currant. Okay, I can't wait, y'all. I cannot wait to use this. I'm excited about that. So let me smell this trend again. Yeah, it's a musky. I don't know. I don't know. Me and these trend fragrances are not meshing well. Like the other one, I liked it. It's okay. I'm going to wear it. I wasn't in love with it, but I do like it. This one, let's do this. On my True Princess unboxing vault, I like the fragrance better than the case. On this one, I like the case better than the fragrance. Okay, so let's see what is in. Wait a minute, I'm not trying to see it before y'all. I want to open it and experience together. Let's see if Love is in the Air is in here, because that's why I purchased this vault. Let's see. And I gotta tell you, Pam, this is the first one I got. It's not in there right. It was to the side, girl. It was to the side. So I feel you on that. But I got it. Love is in the air. Hey. I'm not gonna spray this, y'all, because I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing. With mine, I am using up, you know, I bought those discovery kits first before I bought the discovery kits when I purchased my first vault because I wanted to see which fragrances I wanted to invest in. And this was #1 on my list. And I got it in a vault lower than the original price of the fragrance with a bunch of goodies that I'm excited about. So that is the awesome, great thing about these vaults is if you can figure out which fragrance is in the vault and it's on your list and you can get other things to try out from the brand less than the fragrance, that's a great deal. So as I'm going to say this about the vaults, if I am at least 95% sure after I've done my research and reading the little blurb they give about the vault, and if I think it's a fragrance that's on my list, I will continue to purchase. But if I feel like that Age of Innocence, I just knew when I read the notes and when I read, and it was innocence in there, I just figured it was that Whispers of Innocence, and I don't like that. I don't like it. So that's why I passed on that vault. But as long as I feel like, and think I have a good chance of getting a fragrance that is on my wish list, then I will continue to purchase the vaults because this was one from the Signature Collection. It was this one and Princess, and this one was first. This was the one I wanted first from the Signature Collection. So my top 2 I have in my collection now, all from the vaults. And that's just a beautiful, wonderful, money-saving, awesome thing. So I just want to show you the top. That top is so pretty. I don't know which one is my favorite top yet. I have my cupcakes back here for this video. I don't know, you all. I'm thinking this is my favorite bottle so far. The Love is in the Air. I think it's my favorite for now, but you know, as I collect them, that will change probably. But I have to say, let's do one more sniff test on trend number 8. Yeah, it's something that I would wear. Would I, if I was at a counter and smelled it, would I have purchased it? No. But since I have it, I will wear it because I don't dislike it, but I don't love it. And I don't know about these trends. I don't know. Pam told me she liked number 5, so I might give that one a try one day, but I'm not loving the trend line so far. It's just okay. I've only tried 2 and I've received them in vaults, so I might need to read the notes and see which one I would personally pick for myself. But I'm happy with this French Riviera Mystery Vault. I can't wait to try this oil. I can't wait. Burn my candle. Love is in the air. Can you say it with me, y'all? I got it, and I got it in a vault. That was number 1 on my list. I'm so happy. And I'm happy with my cute little travel case. I like it so much better than that other one. So I'm happy with this, you know, I'm not cap person, cap woman, but we'll see. I might put it on going outside if we ever get together for barbecues or anything anymore. So I'm happy with this vault. I'm happy. I love everything I got except the hat. And yeah, I'm happy. So we'll see if I get another vault. And I will, of course, keep you all tuned if I get one in the future. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below telling me what mystery vaults you have bought from House of Sillage, or if you like the vaults, just tell me your thoughts on the House of Sillage in general. Please turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video, and especially, you know, if I might upload another mystery vault unboxing video. You would not want to miss that, would you? Please share this video with anyone and everyone who you think would be interested. I am trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers by September 1st. I would love it if you all would help me reach that goal. I'm going to be doing a giveaway when I do reach 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to have some special videos thrown in when I reach 100. I always want to say 100,000. Putting it in the air, y'all. Put it out there. But I will also be doing special videos when I reach 1,000 subscribers also. So as I always say, if you liked my vibe, subscribe. Until next time, bye.